Ever found yourself scrolling through an online store, adding items to your cart, only to hit a roadblock at checkout because your payment method isn't accepted? Frustrating, right? Especially when you're dealing with international transactions or less common card types. This brings us to a question many of you have been asking, and it's a pretty important one if you're a frequent online shopper or traveler. Can your YouTrip card be used for online payments? Now, before we dive into a definitive yes or no, let's quickly recap what a YouTrip card actually is. For those unfamiliar, YouTrip is a multi-currency travel wallet that comes with a physical prepaid MasterCard. It's designed to make spending in foreign currencies cheaper and more convenient by allowing you to store and pay in multiple currencies at competitive exchange rates. Think of it as your trusty travel companion, helping you avoid those pesky foreign transaction fees when you're globetrotting. But what happens when your travels take you online? Can this handy physical card bridge the gap to the digital world of e-commerce? The short answer, and I know you've been waiting for it, is a resounding yes. Your YouTrip card, being a MasterCard, functions just like any other MasterCard when it comes to online payments. Whether you're buying that must-have gadget from an overseas retailer, subscribing to your favorite streaming service, or booking accommodation for your next adventure, you can use your YouTrip card as your payment method. Here's why this is such good news. Firstly, it extends the utility of your YouTrip card beyond just physical point-of-sale transactions. It means you can leverage its multi-currency capabilities even when you're shopping from the comfort of your home. If you're buying from a website that charges in a currency you've already loaded onto your YouTrip wallet, you'll likely benefit from the potentially better exchange rates and avoid additional conversion fees that your regular bank might impose. Secondly, it offers a convenient way to manage your online spending, especially for international purchases. You can easily top up your YouTrip wallet in your base currency and then convert it to the currency you need for your online transaction, all within the YouTrip app. This gives you more control over your spending and helps you stay within your budget. However, just like with any other payment card, there are a few things to keep in mind when using your YouTrip card for online payments. Ensure that the online merchant accepts MasterCard. While MasterCard is widely accepted globally, it's always a good practice to check the accepted payment methods at checkout. Also, be mindful of the balance in your YouTrip wallet. If you're making a purchase in a foreign currency, make sure you have sufficient funds in that specific currency or enough in your base currency for YouTrip to perform the conversion. Finally, security is paramount for any online transaction. YouTrip employs security measures to protect your card details, but it's also crucial for you to practice safe online shopping habits. Only transact on secure websites, look for the padlock icon in the address bar, and be cautious about sharing your card details on unfamiliar platforms. So, to reiterate, your YouTrip card isn't just for swiping at foreign terminals, it's a versatile tool that seamlessly integrates with the online world. It offers a convenient and potentially cost-effective way to pay for your online purchases, especially when dealing with different currencies. It truly expands the horizons of your YouTrip experience, making it an even more valuable asset for the modern, globally minded consumer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.